To add a section in Wix Editor, start by logging into your Wix account and opening your website in the Wix Editor. The Wix Editor is a user-friendly interface that allows you to create and customize your website without needing to know how to code. First, click on the Add icon on the top bar of the Wix Editor. This icon is usually represented by a plus sign and is located on the left side of the top bar. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various add options, including adding a section, page, or element. From the Add menu, select Add Section. This will open the Add Section panel, which contains a variety of pre-designed section templates that you can use to add different types of content to your website. These templates include sections for text, images, videos, and more. Browse through the section templates and select the one that best fits your needs. You can preview each template by hovering over it with your mouse. Once you have selected a template, click on it to add it to your website. After adding a section, you can customize it by adding your own content, including text, images, and other elements. To do this, click on the section and select the Edit icon. This will open the section in edit mode, allowing you to add, remove, or modify the content. To add text, click on the text box and start typing. You can format your text using the text editing tools, which include options for font, size, color, and alignment. To add an image, click on the image icon and select an image from your computer or from the Wix image library. Once you have added your content, you can arrange the elements in your section by dragging and dropping them into place. You can also use the alignment tools to align your elements to the left, right, or center. Finally, click on the Save button to save your changes. Your new section will now be live on your website, and you can view it by clicking on the Preview button.